Hello everyone and welcome back to Management in Minutes. In our previous video, we understood what organizational behavior is, the study of how people behave in the workplace. But understanding behavior is not enough. Someone must guide, shape and direct that behavior towards organizational goals, and that someone is the manager. So, how does a manager influence people? What roles do they play in controlling, motivating and coordinating employees? Let's find out as we explore the roles of a manager in organizational behavior. A manager does not just give instructions or assign work. They perform different roles every day to manage people, share information, and make decisions. According to management expert Henry Mintzberg, these roles are divided into three main groups: interpersonal roles, informational roles, and decisional roles. Let's start with the first group, interpersonal roles. These roles focus on how a manager deals with people and builds relationships in the workplace. There are three interpersonal roles: figurehead, leader, liaison. In the figurehead role, the manager acts as a representative of the organization. They perform ceremonial and formal duties like attending events, signing documents, and welcoming guests. For example, when a manager inaugurates a new branch, they are acting as a figurehead. In the leader role, the manager guides and motivates employees. They encourage their team, solve their problems, and help improve performance. For example, when a manager trains a new employee and boosts team morale, they are playing the leader role. The liaison role involves building connections and communication. Managers interact with other departments, suppliers, and external parties to coordinate work. For example, a production manager coordinates with the marketing team for product launches. The second group is informational roles. These roles focus on collecting, sharing, and representing information inside and outside the organization. There are three informational roles: monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson. In the monitor role, the manager gathers information about employees' performance, market changes, and internal operations. For example, reviewing sales reports and analyzing customer feedback. As a disseminator, the manager passes important information to the team. This could include new policies, instructions, or update from top management. For example, explaining a new company rule during a team meeting. In the spokesperson's role, the manager represents the organization to outsiders. They communicate information to clients, media, and higher authorities. For example, representing project progress to stakeholders. The third group is decisional roles. These roles involve making choices and solving problems. There are four decisional roles: entrepreneurial, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. As an entrepreneur, the manager introduces new ideas and improvements. They look for opportunities to grow and innovate. For example, launching a new service to meet customer demand. In the disturbance handler's role, the manager deals with conflicts and unexpected situations. They step in when problems arise and restore balance. For example, resolving disputes between employees. As a resource allocator, the manager decides how resources are used. This includes time, budget, manpower, and equipment. For example, assigning team members to different tasks based on priority. In the negotiator role, the manager takes part in discussions to reach agreements. This may involve suppliers, employees, or clients. For example, negotiating deadlines or pricing. To sum up, manager performs multiple roles every day. Interpersonal roles focus on people, informational roles focus on communication, and decisional roles focus on decision making. Together, these roles help shape employees' behavior and drive organizational success. I hope this video helped you understand the roles of manager in a clear and simple way. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Management in Minutes. We'll continue exploring more such topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.